Hey everybody, this is Abel here with Planet Geo. Today we're going to talk about the crowdsourcing module and how to utilize it within your TreePlotter inventory application. So let's get started. The crowdsource module is an add-on module that can be added to your inventory application. A new landing page will appear on the left-hand side of your home screen if you're on a tablet or desktop, and full screen if you're on a smartphone. This landing page can include your organization name, logo, photos, as well as a brief summary of your programs, intended audience, or mission. Links to the other websites can be included too. We also have 3 layout templates to choose from. At the bottom of the landing page is a 4-step method making it easy for anyone to add existing trees or new plantings to your app and track stewardship activities. Let's start by logging in. First-time users will have to create an account to be able to access and add or modify tree data. You can do so by clicking on Create an Account, returning users can simply log in with their credentials. If you prefer, you also have the option to log in via Google or Facebook down here at the bottom. Once you log in, you're ready to start plotting trees. After you click Add Trees, you will notice that 2 options will pop up. You can continue to add trees or view all the trees in the database. In this case, let's click Add Trees. From here, you can choose to add a single tree at a time or add multiple trees in one general location. For this example, let's select plotting a single tree at a time. Next, you're going to want to select the tree species from the drop-down. Inventory won't allow you to move to the next step until you have made a selection. If you accidentally choose the wrong species, don't worry. You can always go back into the Tree Details form and make any necessary changes. When you're ready, hit Plot Tree. You can add the point using a specific address, GPS location, or simply by zooming in on the tree. Once you plot your tree, fill out as much or as little of the Tree Details form as you want. This data gets automatically saved, so there's no need to worry about saving your entries. When you're done, you can hit Close. If for some reason you need to get back into the Tree Details form for that tree, simply click on the tree and select the View and Edit Details button. If you plotted the wrong tree or would like to move the point on the map to be more precise, use the Move tool to relocate that point. If you need to plot another tree, use the Add Trees window located on the bottom left-hand side of your screen and repeat the process. That's how you add trees. Another great feature about the crowdsourcing module is the ability for the user to be able to keep track of their activities. You can click on the Welcome button located on the upper left-hand corner of your screen, and this will take you back to the landing page. Scroll down and click on My Activities. Here, you can update your activities, view your activities, and lastly, view all the trees that have been created. This makes it easy for the user to stay on top of some common activities such as watering, pruning, or mulching. The last thing I will cover in this video is the Connect section of the landing page. Public users can stay connected with various tree or environmental programs the organization may be involved with. You also have the option to include your web page, email, and even social media accounts. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit www.treeplotter.com.